Hello, and welcome to another joke of the day. In today's joke, a salesman went to a house and found a small boy sitting on the front step. He asked the boy, "Is your mother in? Is your mother in?" The boy said, "Yes, she is." So the salesman rang the doorbell. There was no answer. So he rang the doorbell again. Still no answer. He turned to the small boy and said, "I thought you said that your mother was at home." She is at home. She is at home, said the boy. She is at home, said the boy. But I don't live here. Okay, well, that's your joke for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.